Your Honor.
You understand you're charged with tampering with evidence. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Welcome to the American Files.
Court is calling 2024 CR 2667, State of Texas versus Eric James Trevino. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense? Are you Mr. Trevino?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, you received all the discovery. Did you review it with your client?
I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Trevino, I'm going to show you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes.
Mr. Trevino, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney?
Yes,
Did
Your
you
Honor.
understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you're charged with tampering with evidence. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Trevino, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, there's a $500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. This is run concurrent with cases involved Verde County, case number X20230349CR and County Court cause number in Bear County 718694. There's an X mark for something to be taken in consideration. All right. So you understand that there's nothing being taken in consideration?
Yes, Your Honor.
And there's an agreed protective order and Bear County case number 718694 with Crystal Falco. Did you understand that to be the plea?
I already found out about the protective order, but yes, I
It
understand.
hasn't been signed.
All right. But you understand that to be the plea? All right. Defense, is that the plea?
Yes.
State?
Yes, sir.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions? Showing you outside the agreement, state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 3 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours of community service restitution, and no contact with Crystal Falco. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead?
Guilty. No contest, sorry. Sorry, Your Honor.
State any evidence?
See all procedures of a one and all time.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, you may continue. Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Trevino, if you're drug tested today, what will the results be?
I'm clean.
All right, when's the last time you used marijuana?
I never smoked. I've smoked marijuana, but it wasn't my thing. Maybe about a year ago.
Okay, so people keep telling me these things. So I read the police report. In the police report, it starts off with an accident. And then it turns into, you just tell the officer you only have cough drops. We're not here for the cough drops. We're here for the tampering with evidence, which would be the marijuana. So how often were you using marijuana?
Rare.
So you just happened to have it that
It was
day.
her marijuana, but I took the blame. It was her vehicle. I was the only person in the vehicle.
Well, obviously you knew marijuana was there. Right?
Yes, I was aware of it.
All right. And who's the other person you're saying this had been in this vehicle?
It was Crystal Falco's vehicle.
All right, so I'm going to send you off in the world. You're telling me you don't have a drug problem, so you had better not test positive in this court. You understand?
I promise you.
All right, are you employed?
Yes.
What do you do?
I'm an apprentice electrician, and I'm
Okay.
going to school for my journeyman's.
All right, court is going to sentence you to 3 years deferred adjudication. There's a $500 fine. That'll be probated. Do you have any children?
Yes, I have one under my roof. She's 19 months old. And 2 in Del Rio,
And what are their ages?
16 and 4.
And you say one under your roof. Are you the sole
I have
caretaker of them?
temporary custody of her, and I'm going for full custody.
Okay, why do you have temporary custody?
The mom picked up some mental issues after the pregnancy, and she left we separated, and she lost the baby three times at the airport in Denver and twice in Dallas. So I got custody of the baby. CPS got involved, so I had to hire a lawyer for all that.
And who's with the baby now?
I have the baby, but right now she's with the babysitter.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like, who has her now? She's not here in
I
court.
have custody
No, she's
she's
not
the
here in
babysitter.
court.
with my babysitter,
And who's the babysitter?
Myra. They're my neighbors.
Okay. All right, court is sentencing you, as previously stated, 3 years deferred adjudication. There's a $500 fine that will be probated. Concurrent with the case in Valverde County, case number X20230349CR. And Bear County cause number 718694, CPS compliance, if applicable. What is that case out of Valverde County?
What kind of case?
Controlled substance.
Yeah. Controlled substance of what?
Cocaine.
All right, so we got cocaine, we got marijuana, and I'm assuming he's gonna say he doesn't use any of it.
Answer that question.
So we're back to you. That Valverde County cause number, have you already pled to that?
Yes, I had to defer to. I'm on probation for it right now.
All right, so was that somebody else's cocaine?
It wasn't in my possession. It was in the vehicle I was driving as well.
And whose vehicle was that?
It was my parents' vehicle, but it was me.
So are
and
your
my ex.
parents using
No,
cocaine?
the person I was with told the cop that there was cocaine in the vehicle when I wasn't aware of it. But since I was driving the vehicle,
And who is this person?
my ex, one of my ex, the mom,
Which one would this be?
My kid's mom, the mom,
What's her name?
Celeste Salazar.
All right. So it appears that everybody you date uses drugs. What's the common denominator in all of this?
Everybody,
You?
I used to use drugs, but I'm no longer.
See how we keep jumping around here? Mrs. Sekuanowicz. We're going to do the UA hotline. And I'm sorry, probation, you're all going to have to do field visits monthly to check on this 19-month-old. And that's until further notice. And we're going to do 60 sober meetings in 60 days. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider with minors. And if CPS didn't make him do parenting classes, I want parenting classes.
CPS wasn't involved with me, Your Honor.
You're doing parenting classes.
We'd ask for, we'd ask for the parenting classes in lieu of the community service.
Sure. So once he completes parenting classes, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's an agreed protective order in County Court 7718694 with Crystal Falco. And I'm sorry, what's the name of the other person who left drugs in your car, told somebody there was drugs in the car?
Celeste Salazar.
There's to be no contact with Celeste Salazar. And it goes without saying, no contact with Crystal Falco. And TAP evaluation out of custody. Probation, is there anything else?
Any community service?
120.
That's all.
Anything else you need from the court?
Hey, Your Honor, I was gonna ask you, I have some tools at her house that I left behind before we got separated, me and Crystal Falco.
Mhm.
How can, it's over $1,000 in tools that I need for work.
I suggest you pick up the phone, call the police and say that you have tools and there's a protective order, and maybe they will escort you over there to have your items. Otherwise, you'll have to get an attorney,
Okay.
but you are not to go to her house.
I don't bother her no more.
Showing you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes,
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
yes,
All right, we can go off the record. You better be on the straight and narrow. You understand?
yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Frank Patterson.
In this courtroom hearing, Eric James Trevino faced a serious charge of tampering with evidence, a third-degree felony. The case began after police responded to an accident and discovered marijuana in the vehicle. Officers believe Trevino attempted to hide or dispose of the evidence, which led to the charge. During the hearing, Trevino confirmed he understood his rights and the plea agreement. When questioned by the judge, he admitted he knew the marijuana was in the car and acknowledged past drug use, but claimed he was currently clean and working as an apprentice electrician while supporting his child. After reviewing the case, the judge granted 3 years of deferred adjudication, meaning Trevino could avoid a felony conviction if he follows all probation rules. The court also imposed a $500 fine, drug testing, 60 sober meetings in 60 days, parenting classes, and strict probation supervision. The judge warned that any violation could result in up to 10 years in prison.